my god, finally get to see one of these in person. This shit is sick as hell. Redeye 5. Well, that paint is that's one of my favorite colors. The Plum Crazy.
Taking it, that's a lower production color.
Probably.
Because it got a little hot.
Dude, this thing is bad. SRT.
Oh.
Yeah, the yellow SRT 392. Congratulations, man. Pretty good. Thank you. It looks beautiful. That Redeye is breathtaking. How much power has that thing got? 800? I saw that thing pulls hard. Pulls hard. Is it spinning tires? A little bit? Yeah. Yo, the color though, you did perfect on the color. Literally the best color for these. Yeah, I know, full throttle, you're gonna be like just flying all everywhere. That's crazy. Have you done full throttle pulls yet or no? Oh, quick. You're just sitting on 797 horsepower. I can only imagine how that feels. Oh my god, listen to that supercharger. So the homie picked up a brand new Redeye. It's a 2019 wide body Hellcat Redeye. You
except for the sunroof, and all I did to the car, full body wrap, like clear bra, expel.
Oh, you did the full body? Okay.
Expel, and then I did the
oil catch can.
That's pretty much it.
So far.
So far.
Yeah, but your plans are to build it down the road?
Yeah. I want to do tires, and then start with the performance. You know, install headers, and then
yeah.
See what
so you upgraded to this from an SRT, the one that I had.
Yeah.
Same time.
SRT 392.
Yeah. So how big of a difference is it if somebody's looking?
Man, they're like totally two different cars. This one is like drive differently, and power is totally different. You know, this car is like a monster compared to the SRT.
To the SRT.
The SRT, yeah. I mean, it's nice muscle car. You know, for like for what it is, but this one is like a whole different level.
Different ball game, like and it's double the price, so you'd expect it to have a lot.
Like 100,000 grand.
Yeah, $100,000 car. So does this have a killer chiller in it? A chiller? Like
yeah, after run chiller, you know, it's like the one of the demon features.
So it has it stock?
It's already in there, yes.
Yeah, killer chiller's in there. Okay.
So you need to turn your AC on and put it on the track mode in order to activate that feature.
And it turns it on.
Yes.
Pretty impressive stuff, man. This is my first time seeing a Redeye in person this close up. I've seen a few of them rolling on the road. But man, this thing, look at that intake. That intake is massive. Absolutely huge. So stock, these push 797 at the crank. At the crank.
Correct.
But what is the wheel horsepower? Have you read up on it?
I've never dynoed it, so I have no clue.
No idea.
At this point. But you know, I'm trying, you know, thinking to update it. You know, had some performance packages and then dyno it and see.
Gotcha. Okay, you'll see. And what made you want to get the Plum Crazy? Is this a Plum Crazy color?
Plum Crazy purple. Yeah. It's like super unique color. I want it to be different. I like flashy colors. I already had a yellow Challenger.
Yeah, I remember yours was very like stood out a lot.
Something unique and you know stand out from the crowd. So
this definitely does it. And you know what looks really good on the purple is the yellow. Yeah. The yellow and the purple, like when your lip actually looks really cool on this because it's yellow. So yeah. So can I see your interior? Do you mind if we check it out? Let's go ahead and take a look. So this thing is pretty sweet. So what is the interior color called? Saddle?
It's sepia black. Sepia black. So
oh, okay. So that's the leather color?
Yeah, it's like peanut butter color, but they
peanut
call it
butter.
sepia black leather.
Wow. This thing smells brand new. This thing's beautiful. So have you raced anybody with it so far?
No, not yet, because my tires are not like really encouraging me to do that. They are street tires and I get a lot of spins, especially on the rear. So
gotcha.
I want to kill these tires first and then get like super like high performance tires like the Nitto NT055 and then start racing.
Gotcha. Okay, so he's not racing anybody at the moment, and the reason is he was rolling next to me and he was having tire issues for sure. Thing lights up the tires. So is it spin happy? Quite a bit, huh?
Yeah.
It spins them all the way to probably third, fourth.
Yeah, go hard on the throttle. It spins.
It definitely lights them up. That's crazy. I really like these wheels though that come stock on the Redeyes. And this is 305 all the way around, right?
305.
Because of the wide body. Such a gorgeous car, man, and it sits so well. It has that new rear spoiler that came out for this year. Yeah, so it has like a little tail on it. And then the tips already come in gloss black, which is a new
feature for 2019, yeah.
Yeah, they look really nice compared to, let's see if anybody else has them. And that's the normal color right there. If you pick up a Redeye, you're gonna get the gloss black tips. And the Redeye 5, what's the 5 stand for?
Well, I wanted to have any number. The only number available at that time when I ordered this custom license plate was the 5. So
you just went with that?
License plate to show, you know, the name of the car.
Yeah, no, it has Redeye on it, so it's pretty cool. Well, sweet ride, man. Congratulations. I'm super excited for you because it's a big step up, man. Going from an SRT to a Redeye, you're skipping the Hellcat in the middle and just straight to the big dog. Yeah. And you have a Demon engine in there, so there's...
I wanted to get a Demon badly, but I didn't find any good deals, you know. All the people, they were asking like 120, 130 grand, which is totally not worth it. If you're like stepping up to that like amount of money, you can get like Porsche or like really nice cars. So.
But I mean, like with this, just a small modifications, you're going to be pushing Demon power.
There is really slight differences between the Redeye and the Demon. Like one of them is suspensions, and the Demon is tuned up, so you can run the Demon with like race
gas. Yeah.
While this one you can run it on the pump, but it's meaningless. You know, you can like, you tune it up and get power.
You have the foundation there. You have the engine. Now it's just
same supercharger, same engine parts, same transmission, everything the same. Yeah.
Yeah, just some money put into this thing, man, and you'll probably a couple $1,000 and you're gonna be pushing Demon power easily. Yeah.
1,000 horsepower easily.
Yeah. Well, best of luck to you, man. This is exciting. I'll try to get you guys some more like roller shots, and we'll get to hear it. Maybe he'll rev it up for us and whatnot, so we can see what it's all about. It has that green belt, which means it's the it's got the higher performance belt right there, so I can handle all the power. And yeah, man, it's just a power plant. I like the little badge that they have on it right there. Pretty dang sweet. This is definitely like a dream car for me right here. Just looking at it, this color has always been my favorite. I would do like yellow calipers on it just to make it pop more. But definitely a beast of a car. Sitting next to the 5.0. My pony right here, right next to it. Cute SRT, Redeye 5. Not a bad look, man. Not a bad look.